Hey, hello YouTuber. Today I'm going to show you how to configure APS10. That's our refrigerator alarm. So I'm going to go to the website, okay, AmericanController.com. Right here you can see the website, okay, and there is some information in the website. You can read a little bit about the device. You can see how it's look like. This is our controller. Okay, basically it's control. Got the wires to each sensor, and you can put it in the kitchen, like here. Okay, and this particular kitchen is right on the wall here. All right, that's basically okay how it's look like. And you go to the login. Okay, you scroll down a little bit, and you click here to log in into the web configuration. I'm going to show you how to configure the device. It's very simple. So you put, I'm originally registered. If you're not, you register here as a new user. Okay, and you get this particular page. Okay, after you register, you can choose your email. This is my email, by the way, if you need to send me an email. And you choose a phone number that is the phone number of the SIM card where you register. Okay, so here is the SIM card in the device. You need it because it will send you SMS via SIM card. All the configuration done via the SIM card. So you don't have to connect to Wi-Fi. You don't have to connect to router. It's all wireless. And the good thing about it, if you have a power outage or you have interruption of the power, let's say you have lightning and the power in the restaurant or whatever the refrigerator is located is off, the device will continue working for about 10 hours and will alert you if there is a problem in the refrigerator. That's why we don't use Wi-Fi, we don't use router, we don't use any internet connection, just for that fact that our devices will work after the power is gone, and you want to know. We have a good experiences after Sandy in New Jersey, the storm, the hurricane that happened, that caused a lot of power outage. Actually, 95% of New Jersey was out of power, and a lot of refrigerator actually stopped working, and our device continue working. So basically, what you do after you finish here, you choose if you have the Watchdog 1 or Watchdog 2. It's the difference between 2 is and 1 is 6 sensor for a small outfit, and 2 is 16 sensor for a large outfit. You know, a mini market, small supermarket. If you just need one walk-in or two walk-in refrigerator and freezer, I suggest to buy the Watchdog 1. All right, once you're done here, you have the continue and you have the reset and alarm. I get back to that later on and I'll show you what it is. But basically, you click continue and you end up with this page. Okay, if you have a brand new device, after you reboot the device and connect the power on, you're going to see all the sensor that connected to the device. So right now I have an option of 16 sensor right here. That's a lot of information to fill up. Actually, yeah. Um, I only connect 3 sensors for the purpose of demonstration right now, just to show you how it's work. Okay. If you want to get an audio alarm, you can put a checkbox here. If you want to get a light, you know, like for instance, some people put one of those fire department turning light or LED, just to show that there is a problem. That's usually done in environment like refrigeration warehouse, that there is people there. But in most cases, we want to send SMS with the uh, device and the temperature to either you or you put to reception if you want to get your technician to listen to the device. You can put their SMS number. Also, if you're a technician and you install the device, you want to be getting the alert of the problem the same time that the restaurant owner get it if the restaurant owner wish to do it. Otherwise, you can get notification that something is wrong before happen, and you can actually call the owner of the restaurant and say, listen, we got a temperature alarm in your place, and you provide them the service, and you can make money on the installation, also providing that particular service. So if you're an installer, we'd like to hear from you. You have a good opportunity to make more money here by offering actually the monitoring, refrigeration monitoring option when you install the refrigerator. Another thing you can do is you can, if you see here, I call it a high side temperature. Okay, you can monitor. You can put a sensor on a high side tubing, and you can call it high side temperature, and you can set the temperature for I don't know for 100 degrees, for example. If if your fan on the condensing unit fail, usually the temperature will rise, or if your condenser clog, the temperature on the high side pipe will rise, and you can read high temperature and notice that something is wrong in this case. You can also put it on low side, and if your defroster is not working, or your fan in the freezer is not working on the refrigerator, you're gonna get ice or low temperature on a return, and you can put on a return pipe as well. Um, that's for installer. But if you just a homeowner, I'm sorry, if you're just a restaurant owner, you're not concerned about the technical, just stick it inside the refrigerator, either drill a hole and put a sensor. The sensor is about a small, a tiny little hole that you drill, you put silicone around it, and we have a stainless steel sensor, waterproof, that will work fine in the environment that you have the refrigerator. Um, in regarding to low and high temperature right here, you don't have to set any of them, but you like to see if you're not going to set any temperature, you're not going to get an alarm. But if you want just low or just high, you can put just low or just high, and it's going to be reading the temperature. SMS delay. So you don't want to get delay. You want to get a delay on SMS because you don't want somebody to open the door or maybe load the refrigerator. So the minute is in the end here, okay? 1 minute, like here, will give you 60 seconds. 120 will give you 2 hour of delay before you send SMS. And you want to delay the SMS because you don't want to get SMS every time somebody open the door, or every time somebody bringing something into the freezer or refrigerator. You want the delay to be, um, when actually you have a problem, and usually you want to wait a little bit to make sure that it's a delay. But you can set a delay even shorter time if you have a mission critical situation, like some pharmaceutical company that like to keep the product in a certain temperature all the time. Once you're done, you click the continue, and the configuration will send to the server. And if you're not next to the unit, that you can turn it off and on or reset. I will go back in, okay, and I will click the reset device, and it will reset the unit and take the configuration right away. Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait till the unit send signal to make sure that we monitor the unit every 24 hours to make sure that the unit is alive and it's plugged in and the power is on. Now the unit have a battery backup, and it's run between 6 to 10 hours on the battery. Depends how new is the battery. We want to make sure that the batteries work, because if you lose power, it will send SMS to the owner, whatever number you put. In my case, you can I put it to my cell phone right here, but you can put another one here if you want to send it to the owner or the partner or the owner of the technician. Or if you are the technician and you install the alarm, you want to offer the service of tell the owner that he have a problem before he even know about it, and open the refrigerator and find out that all the meat or the fish or whatever he got in the walk-in refrigerator is gone, and actually smell the thing for miles. So it's a good idea to have more than one person to receive the SMS, just in case somebody is sleeping or somebody is on vacation or whatever it is. Also, if you click on alarm, you can read all the alarm that happened, the date and the time, and the number. It will the number that is sent to the SMS actually give you the time and all that. Okay, and also the name of the device. So here is a walk-in fridge, and it sent the temperature was 73. Okay, that's what the message that's actually sent from the device to the recipient. That is what I showed in the previous screen. So basically, that's how it's working. And when you go to the website, you can read about it. If you didn't see the device before, I have a little picture of it here. That's how it's look like. Okay, you have the power right here, and you can get an alarm. Okay, and on the bottom there is a port for the wire to come in. So it's pretty unique device. It's not big. You can put it by the reception area in the restaurant or in the kitchen on the wall, and where somebody see the red LED on, you notice that something is wrong. It will show on the display here, right here. It will show on the display that you actually have a problem, and something is not right, and tell you which unit is the problem. So if you have 16 units, it's kind of hard to go to each one to check. It will tell you on the screen that you have a alarm on the walk-in unit or the ice cream freezer. That's basically how it's work. I hope you enjoy the presentation, and we will like to hear from you. In case you have any question, give us a call, 732-961-6544. Thank you.